Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, appreciate it. Today I worked on hanging some can lights. As you can see here, there's 6 of them. There is 3 more going on the back wall. And then I went ahead and finished the low voltage for the bathrooms. Basically all of these. Got the switches here. Someone was saying they wanted to know like what the wire was and where it all went. So like I was saying the last couple days, the wire starts at this switch, then it goes up. This room's a little bit different, but usually it goes up from the switch to the occupancy sensor and then back down to the other switch if there's 2 switches. Otherwise, it just goes from the switch up to the occupancy sensor, back down to the next occupancy sensor, down to the next switch. So it just kind of goes back and forth. This isn't the typical way that high voltage goes, like how you bring the power in to a box and then a switch leg out. This is something I haven't really dealt with before. It's kind of chained in a weird way, and I'm guessing it's programmed a certain way to make it all work. So that's the best I can explain it. But as far as these ones go, brought the low voltage in, and then it has to go across the hallway. This one I guess didn't get rolled up, but the wire's hanging down right there. So it's gonna go from the switch in out to a power pack, and then from the power pack it's going to go to another power pack, because these rooms don't have occupancy sensor, so they're powered up through the power pack. So it goes power pack to power pack, back down to the switch over there. So it just keeps hopping back and forth. So yep. So that's basically what I worked on, finishing the low voltage switches and occupancy sensors, and then hanging some can lights. I got 6 over there, and then another one on the other side. So that pretty much wraps it up.